In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a plan in Jira using benzluisarlos.atlassian.net. Whether you're just getting started or aiming to enhance your project management skills, this guide is crafted to walk you through the process smoothly and effectively. First, begin by navigating to the For You page in Jira. Open your browser, type in benzluisarlos.atlassian.net and ensure you're logged into your account. Here, hover over the For You section. Think of it as your personalized hub, showcasing everything you're actively working on or might need quick access to. Now that you're in, shift your focus to the sidebar. This is an important space where Jira organizes various tools and options to help you manage your projects efficiently. As you scan through, you'll be looking for a section labeled Plans. While it might sometimes be nestled among other tabs or options, a little patience in exploring your sidebar should lead you there quite effortlessly. Having identified the Plans section, your next move is to click on the Create Plan button. This button usually stands out on the interface, often highlighted to catch your eye and inviting you to begin crafting your plan. Clicking it marks the start of creating a comprehensive project plan from scratch. As you step into this creative journey, it's time to name your plan. This is where you can let your creativity flow or choose a name that is purely functional yet descriptive. A well-chosen title is crucial. It becomes vital when you are sifting through multiple plans in the future. Aim for a name that both resonates with your team and clearly outlines the plan's purpose. Moving forward, it's time to decide on the access permissions for your plan. This step is crucial because it determines who in your organization can view or edit the plan. Carefully assess the roles and responsibilities within your team. This allows you to tailor the access in a way that ensures the necessary people can make updates or keep informed while maintaining project security. With permissions set, your focus will shift to adding work items to your plan. This is where you outline the scope of your project with distinct tasks or issues. Be thorough as you add each piece, making this plan your comprehensive roadmap. Properly defining these elements now will pave the way for efficient progress tracking later on. Finally, after going through these careful steps, it's time to click on Create. This single action consolidates all your entries, formalizing your settings into a cohesive plan that will guide your project from start to finish. And there you have it, you've successfully